Hey all, welcome to Sparklebox. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini paper cooking range. Are you looking for some creative activity kits that can enhance your skills? Then you must definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com. We have wide range of activity kits, grade-wise and age-wise over there. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Sparklebox. Your support means a lot to us. Now, let's get started with our DIY.
Origami sheets, pencil, scissors, fevistick, thread, sketch pens and compass. Take an origami sheet with the mentioned size. Fold the sheet. Now, take the sheet of sizes mentioned. Cut the sheet in a square in the middle and then paste it with a fevistick. Paste the transparent sheet as shown. Now, fold the sheet in a box. With fevistick, paste the sheet. Cut a thin rectangle from a black colored sheet. With a sketch pen, make dots on the sheet and paste it on the box. Cut some small circles and paste them on the box. out a small rectangle and paste it to make a handle. On a red colored sheet, draw a small figure and cut it. Now decorate it and tie it with a thread on the handle.
Our mini cooking range is ready. You can give it a try yourself and share your work with us in our Instagram account. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel Sparklebox, because your support means a lot to us. Bye bye. See you with another interesting DIY.